Every year I wait for the monsoon, not just for the cool weather, but because this is when my balcony garden truly comes alive. During the hot summer months, many of my tropical plants slow down. Some barely grow at all. But the moment the rains arrive, it almost like someone has flipped a switch. New leaves begin to appear, vines grow longer, and every morning brings a new surprise. Today, I'd love to take you on a walk through my balcony and show you 6 plants that absolutely thrive during the monsoon and why this season is so special for them. Monstera, look at this. This is my Monstera, and honestly, it's one of the plants I watch the most during the rainy season. In summer, I sometimes wait weeks for a new leaf. The plant survives, but it doesn't seem very excited to grow. Then the monsoon arrives. Almost overnight, I noticed a new leaf beginning to unfurl. Watching a monster leaf slowly opens is one of my favorite moments as a plant parent. Every day it changes a little, and within few days you have a beautiful fresh leaf. I think the combination of cooler temperature and higher humidity makes all the difference. I still keep it bright in direct light and don't let it sit in heavy rain. That little balance seems to work really well. Philodendrons. If monsters enjoy the monsoon, then my philodendron absolutely celebrate it. This is the time when I start seeing new leaves almost everywhere. Some leaves are just beginning to unfurl, while others already open into fresh glossy green. One thing I love about philodendrons is how quickly they respond to good weather. During the rainy season, I don't actually water them much more since the air already holds plenty of moisture. I simply let the soil dry slightly before watering again. Sometimes giving less water is actually better choice. Bird Nest Fern. Now let's visit one of the happiest plants in my balcony during this monsoon by bird nest ferns and all ferns. Ferns naturally love humidity, so it's no surprise that this season is their favorite. The center of plant keeps producing fresh fronds and every new leaves look healthier than the last. One thing I've learned over the years is not to pour water directly in the center of the fern. Instead, I water the soil around it. The simple habit helps prevent the crown from staying too wet. Sometimes small changes in how we water makes a bigger difference than buying expensive fertilizers. Now Syngoniums. If I had to choose one plant that grows the fastest in my balcony during the rainy season, it would probably be my Syngoniums. They are full of energy, new leaves, larger vines, brighter color. Every week they seem a little bigger than before. This is also the season when I love propagating them. Cutting usually much faster because the warm temperature and humidity creates almost perfect growing conditions. Now Hoya. Many people think Hoyas are slow growers, but look at this. Mine definitely slowed down during summer, but once humidity rise, it began to notice tiny new vines stretching out different direction. It occupies different pots right now. At first, the leaves are so small that they are easy to miss. Then, week by week, they become larger, stronger, and darker. The only thing I pay extra attention during this season is airflow. Humidity is wonderful, but without good air circulation, fungal problem can appear. Now about Z plants and pothos. Even my ZZ plant, which is known for growing slowly, starts producing fresh shoots during the rainy season. Patience is still needed, but seeing a new shoot emerge from the soil is always exciting. and their Pothos. This plant never disappoints. The vines become longer, leaves become fuller, and the entire plant suddenly looks much healthier. It's one of those plants that quietly reminds you just how powerful the right season can be. Walking through my balcony during the monsoon has become part of my daily routine. Every morning I discover something new. A fresh leaf, a longer vine, a fern unfurling, tiny changes that most people might not never notice. But as a gardener, those little moments bring us so much happiness. Now my balcony has his natural curtains. I don't need curtain anymore. You can see it. That's why the monsoon is my favorite season for gardening. I'd love to know which plant in your home the first is during the rainy season. Thank you for joining me on this rainy garden walk, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye till now.